How to report Facebook account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, go to the profile or account that you want to report. Let me choose a random one. Say, for example, this one right here. Once you're there, you need to click on the three dots next to the messaging icon or button. And once you're here, click on Report Profile. Facebook here will give you a list of reasons that you can choose from as to why you want to report this account. And depending on the reason that you choose, it will give you extra reasons to be more specific and detailed. So say for example I choose this one, it will give me even more reasons and options. So once you do that, and finally you will land on this page that you will be able to submit your report. Click on submit at the bottom and your report will be submitted and Facebook will review it and take actions from there. So that was it for this video. That's how you can report Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.